Deep in a sun-dappled forest, nestled amongst towering trees and bustling creatures, lived a tiny mouse pup named Molly. She was the smallest animal in the entire forest, and oh, how she felt it. Peeking from behind a smooth, gray rock, she'd watch the bigger animals play. The rabbits would leap and bound, the squirrels would scamper up the highest branches, and the birds would fill the air with their beautiful songs. Molly would sigh, her whiskers twitching with sadness. "I'm just too tiny," she would whisper to a passing ladybug. "I can't do any of the amazing things they can do." One day, the forest animals were gathering food for the coming winter. Molly wanted to help more than anything. She spotted a tiny, stray seed, much smaller than the ones the others were carrying, and decided to try her best. She strained, and she struggled, trying to lift it. But, as she did, a few of the bigger animals noticed. "Look at the little mouse trying to carry a seed." One chortled, "You're far too small to help." Another one laughed. Their words stung, and Molly's tiny heart broke. The seed tumbled from her grasp. Humiliated and heartbroken, she ran away to hide, tears blurring her vision. She truly believed she was useless. But then, disaster struck. The most important part of their winter food supply, a giant, magnificent acorn, accidentally rolled away and fell into a deep, narrow crack in a large rock. A wave of panic washed over the animals. The strong bear lumbered over, but his massive paw was far too big to fit inside. The swift rabbit tried to squeeze in, but its body was too large. Even the clever ants marched down, but the crack was too twisty and complex for them to navigate. Everyone was stumped. The precious acorn, their key to surviving the winter, was completely out of reach. Hope began to fade. It was in that moment of despair that Molly, peeking out from her hiding spot, looked at the impossibly narrow crack. She saw the huge bear, the agile rabbit, and the determined ants all fail. And then, a thought sparked in her mind, a thought so new and surprising it made her gasp. The crack was too small for them, but for her, it was the perfect size. Her heart began to pound, not with fear this time, but with a new, exciting feeling. Maybe, she thought, her eyes widening, maybe being small isn't a weakness. Maybe I can do something special that no one else can. Taking a deep, shaky breath, Molly stepped forward. The other animals watched in silence as the tiny mouse pup approached the rock. "I can do this," she whispered to herself, her voice full of a newfound determination. She squeezed into the tight opening, her small body navigating the twists and turns with ease. It was a perfect fit. Deeper and deeper she went until she reached the giant acorn. With all her might, she began to push and nudge it. Back on the outside, the animals held their breath. Suddenly, the acorn wobbled, and then, with a final push from Molly, it rolled out into the open. A massive cheer erupted through the forest. Molly emerged from the crack, dusty but triumphant. All the animals, big and small, rushed to thank her. They lifted her onto their shoulders, chanting her name. Molly stood tall and proud, her tiny chest puffed out. She finally understood. Her size wasn't something to be ashamed of. It was her unique strength, her very own superpower. From that day on, Molly the mouse never felt too small again, because she knew that even the tiniest creature can be the biggest hero. And that's a lesson for all of us. You are stronger and more capable than you think. What makes you different is what makes you special. Thanks for watching our story today. If you loved Molly's adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing stories. We'll see you next time.